Hi, how are you?
Hi, good, how are you?
Good, thanks. I noticed you just canceled a ride.
Yeah, I was kind of hoping you could just still take me there.
I mean, what do you mean? I gotta make money.
I know, but like I'm having a really rough day, okay? My boyfriend just broke up with me last night and like I'm really upset and like I'm really hoping you could just like still do the ride.
I mean, do you have cash or anything, or?
No, I don't have anything. Like literally my boyfriend stole all my money when he broke up with me. Like all of it.
I mean, you have a job though, right?
No, like he was supporting me full time and then like kicked me out, broke up with me, took all the money that he had given me for my allowance each week, and so now I have literally no money.
I mean, it sounds like you deserved it. I mean,
No.
What did you do? I mean, there's obviously a reason he broke up with you, right?
I'm literally such a good person. Like I volunteer at the animal shelter.
You're a good person, but you're trying to ask me for a free ride.
Please, like seriously, good people just like never get anything these days. Like I volunteer at the animal shelter. I literally.
Well, what do I get in return?
I don't know. What do you want?
I don't know. Think of something.
I don't. Do you have any like things you need help with? I'm good with social media.
Social media?
Yeah.
I mean,
One time I got 1 million views.
What type of content are we talking about?
It was cats, but
yeah, I'm not really into cats.
you don't like cats?
No.
Is something wrong with you?
Nothing's wrong with me.
Oh.
Cat ladies, obviously everybody agrees they're freaking weird.
I mean, cats just like, they have boundaries, so when people don't like cats, it usually means they don't like boundaries. So I'm just asking, like I'm not accusing you of being like a bad person because you don't like cats.
Wait, cats like boundaries?
Yeah.
What do you mean they like boundaries?
You know what? If my ex were more like a cat, maybe things would have worked out. Because he had no sense of boundaries. He was always going through the phone that he bought me.
Okay, you know
like,
what?
It was ridiculous.
You seem nice at first, but you're kind of annoying. So can you just get out?
Seriously, I can't catch a break.
Thank you. See ya.
Have a good day.